Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're sick and tired of trading hours for dollars, you've landed in exactly the right spot. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate 2026 playbook for ditching that manual labor and building highly scalable, AI-leveraged digital income streams. We've pulled together all the latest research and strategies across the absolute most profitable platforms out there right now. We're talking digital products, smart search optimization, automated video empires, and incredibly high-margin affiliate networks. It's going to be a good one, so let's dive right into this roadmap.
Okay, so here's a quick look at our agenda for today. First, we'll look at direct sales with Gumroad. Second, cracking Etsy search SEO. Third, building AI YouTube empires. Fourth, the AI video toolkit. And finally, scaling via affiliate programs.
Starting things off with Section 1, direct sales with Gumroad, which is really your foundation.
So Gumroad is basically the absolute bedrock for creators wanting to sell digital products. Whether that's templates, online courses, or ebooks, it lets you sell directly to your audience with almost zero friction. And getting your very first product live? It's incredibly straightforward. You literally just start by creating an account and verifying your identity with a government-issued ID. Next up, you select your product. Maybe it's a slick spreadsheet template or a design asset, and package your files into something simple, like a zip archive or a stamped PDF. Then, you build out a product page with a super clear, benefit-driven title. Finally, you set up your payments. Gumroad processes payouts weekly for balances over $10, and they only hold funds for 7 days just to make sure all transactions are secure. It's a completely streamlined foundation to get you going.
And what's really cool here is the platform's pricing flexibility. You aren't just boxed into one single way of making money. Take the pay-what-you-want model, for example. That's a fantastic tactic for rapidly growing an audience by offering a resource bundle for, say, a $5 minimum. Or, hey, if you have ongoing content, the subscription model allows you to build recurring monthly income. By experimenting with these different tiers and combining them with Gumroad's built-in marketing tools like time-limited discount codes, you can dramatically increase your sales conversions.
Moving right along to Section 2, cracking Etsy search SEO, all about marketplace discovery.
Because here's the thing, having an amazing digital product is really just step one. On a massive marketplace like Etsy, having a good product literally means nothing if your listing gets buried. The absolutely crucial point is this: your Etsy SEO has to start with actual buyer intent. A lot of sellers treat SEO like some kind of trick, right? They obsess over tags and totally ignore market fit. But you have to think about how real people actually type into a search bar. You need to break your keywords down into a clear primary phrase, followed by secondary descriptions and, most importantly, intent modifiers. Words like gift, personalized, or digital download. Those are exactly what real buyers type when they have their wallets out and are ready to spend.
Notice the stark contrast here between a keyword-stuffed title and an optimized one. A bad title just completely jams repetitive keywords together. You might feel like you're covering all your bases, but honestly, it just confuses the algorithm and looks like spam to a human. A much better title provides exact context to Etsy while simultaneously building immediate confidence for the buyer to actually click. And remember, once Etsy indexes your listing, performance signals take over. If your clear, human-readable title earns clicks, favorites, and sales, the algorithm is naturally going to push your listing even higher.
All right, Section 3, building AI YouTube empires for automated scale.
Now, once you've got products and search figured out, what's next? You need traffic. Massive, scalable traffic. Welcome to the golden age of AI automation. Just take a look at this staggering number, $700,000 in annual revenue. And no, that's not some hypothetical projection. That was actually generated by a 22-year-old creator named Adalvia Davis, who runs 5 Faceless channels. Get this, one of his most successful channels is called Boring History, which features 6-hour AI-narrated documentaries specifically designed to put people to sleep. Ironically, it consistently pulls in hundreds of thousands of views. It just goes to show, viewers do not care that it's AI-generated as long as it provides genuine value, even if that value is literal unconsciousness.
So how do you actually achieve that kind of multi-channel scale without totally burning out? Well, creators are using automated pipelines exactly like this one. It's brilliant. An RSS feed or a trending Reddit topic triggers the system. ChatGPT instantly analyzes that topic and writes a highly structured script. Then, that script is automatically sent over to 11 Labs, which generates an incredibly realistic voiceover. Finally, the audio and script are pushed into a tool like InVideo or CapCut for visual assembly. What used to be a grueling 30-hour manual production process is now a sleek automated content machine that runs around the clock.
Which brings us perfectly to Section 4, the AI video toolkit. Essentially, your virtual studio. To actually feed that kind of YouTube empire with high-quality visuals, you've got to stock your virtual studio with the exact right tools. We can break this landscape down into 3 main buckets. First up, generation. Tools like Google's Veo and OpenAI's Sora have this crazy machine intuition. They can turn a simple text story into a continuous, cinematic video sequence from scratch. Second is editing. Descript lets you edit a video simply by deleting text in a transcript, which is magic, while Opus Clip analyzes long-form video to extract and score the most viral short clips for you. And finally, suites. Platforms like Synthesia give you access to hyper-realistic digital avatars that can speak dozens of languages, literally replacing the need for a human actor altogether.
But hey, even if you prefer old-school timeline editing, you are definitely not being left behind here. Features like the AI Smart Cutout really prove how AI is just stripping away all that tedious manual labor from post-production. Instead of spending hours masking things frame by frame, you literally just paint the object on the screen and the AI isolates it perfectly. It is all about increasing your production value without increasing the time you spend chained to your desk.
And finally, Section 5, scaling via affiliate programs to get that diversified income. All right, so let's talk monetization scale. You've got your digital products, you've got optimized listings, and automated traffic pouring in from YouTube. Now it's time to multiply that revenue by plugging into the top affiliate networks. If you're a beginner, starting with Amazon is a safe bet. Sure, the commissions are lower, around 1 to 10% with a pretty short 24-hour cookie, but the built-in buyer trust means it converts super easily. Once you've actually built an audience, you can step up to CJ Affiliate for premium enterprise brands like Expedia. Or if you want truly massive margins, tap into ClickBank. Because ClickBank focuses entirely on digital products like software and courses, they offer staggering commission rates. We're talking up to 75% with super generous 60-day cookie durations. But a quick word of warning here. To actually guarantee your affiliate success, you absolutely must follow a strict checklist. Seriously, don't just go blindly chasing high commissions. You have to pick a niche you can speak authentically about and match the affiliate program to what your audience actually needs. Create genuinely helpful tutorials and comparison content, and rely on search engine optimization to bring in that high-intent traffic. The golden rule here? Scale slowly. Master one specific network and niche to secure consistent income before you start spreading yourself thin across multiple platforms. So we've covered the whole shebang today, from Gumroad foundations and Etsy SEO, all the way to AI YouTube automation, video generation tools, and high-margin affiliate networks. The pieces are all right there for the taking. So the real question is, how will you build and automate your 2026 digital empire? Which of these AI-leveraged systems are you going to deploy first to finally break free from manual labor? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I seriously can't wait to see what you build.